What's up, guys? Today I have an Arteon. So this one here is an SC all-wheel drive model, so kind of a base trim level, but it actually looks really good in black. Super nice. And I'm gonna do a quick 0 to 60 with this one as well, just so you guys get an idea of how it drives. All right. Looks pretty clean. It's got the frameless doors. And the windows are down, it looks nice and sporty. But key's not in the car. Yes, it is. But yes, it's the SC pack, so you don't get the digital cockpit, but you do get some nice kind of design gauges. I do like it. And still get the display here. Get this little curtain for the cup holders. And yeah, car page too. This is neat. You always get the GTIs, you always get the sport gauges, but you also get them in the Arteon too, so you can do G-forces, coolant temps, stuff like that. I think you can even have the boost pressure and kilowatts and stuff as well have in there. Alright, now we'll get some 0 to 60 runs in, go over how to do traction control, because it is a little different in this car. I have my own kind of drive mode on. This is what has been my favorite, actually. I'll keep the DCC at the most comfort setting. It's nice too about the SC is every trim level on the Arteon comes standard with the DCC, and you have a ton of adjustments, so you can really get it exactly how you want it. The most comfort setting is really soft. Keep the steering in normal, so it's nice and light, but then the drive system is in sport. Climate is either eco or normal, so I just leave it in normal. That way you can it leaves the transmission in a more sporty setting. Less throttle input will actually, make you accelerate a little smoother and faster. It can keep you at a higher gear as well, but it's still soft. It's not like a really aggressive sports setting, so it kind of goes hand with the soft steering and the soft suspension, and then you get that sportiness of the throttle response. So yeah, to do traction control off, there's not an actual button on it like it is on a GTI or a GLI. It's over here usually. You got to go to the car page, which I'm on now, hit settings, ECS system, and then here you can go to ECS Sport, which is about as far off as you can get it. Front assist won't be available in this setting, but you will have traction control off. So seatbelt on and let's go. All right, guys, 0 to 60 in the Arteon. I got traction control already off. Boost gauge is on there, looking cool. Speedometer in the center. I'm just gonna put my foot on the brake and just mash the throttle, let it build, and then let go and see how it goes. Let's do it.